could be aggravated by this experience. Expectant users should not ride.
Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue...
Prepare for upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Detecting malicious code, no concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be de-rezzed. Launch in 3, 2... First aid captured. Take 3. Ignore them. Keep going. 3 more gates. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Negative. Malicious code neutralized.
No!
Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate this program.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit.